Hi everyone! Welcome back to Geology 305. I say welcome back, but this is something new for all of us trying to do this online. So this is an introduction to our next lab, which is visualizing structures. You're going to be using Google Earth Pro, and taking a look at northwestern Africa. It's pretty cool. Lots of structures visible up there. And measuring some strikes, some dips, and you're going to be making me some cross sections, some geologic maps. In this video, hopefully I'll be able to illustrate how to navigate through Google Earth Pro and make a nice little cross section at the end. All right, well, thank you for your patience. I really appreciate it. In this time, I'm trying to keep structure going forward, and this is going to be a lot of fun. Thanks. This is a quick intro on how to download and install Google Earth Pro on a Mac. For anyone interested when you're looking at my fun installation process, my password is all caps, I love geology. I'm serious. It's true. Don't sign in on any of my stuff. Anyway, once Google Earth Pro is up and running, you can go ahead and upload the KMZ file from Canvas with our location information. As you can see, the KMZ file flies us over northern Africa, where you'll get to play around with all different types of controls. You can see it bird's eye view, go on different angles. It's really helpful when you're trying to visualize the different structures in the area, and you can kind of get a handle of the controls, as you can see I'm trying to do here. It's a little awkward at first, but you'll get used to it. So before you get too far into it, make sure you go up to preferences and check that your exaggeration is set to 3. As you can see, mine was set to 1, and this way you'll be able to see the features a lot better. Once you've set your elevation exaggeration, I'm going to show you an easy trick to express strike and dip on Google Earth Pro. So, we're going to take advantage of the measure tool here. I'm zooming into area 1B, where there's a pretty evident strike and dip. And you can see this on the outcrop. It's striking east-west with a southern dip. So if you go to the ruler tool, you can set it to path, okay? And what this does is you can mark different points along and it'll show up as a path. Pretty obvious there. And you can use this to make a strike and dip symbol. What's pretty cool about that is that if you make it big enough, you can zoom out while you're making your geologic maps, and it's visible from pretty far away. To help make the geologic map and then later on the cross section, I used a piece of paper and turned the brightness up on my computer to trace one of the areas. I then added the geologic formations I could see, smoothed everything out, and added strikes and dips wherever I could measure them. This is to help make a more accurate map. I added a north arrow. You always want that for reference. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Last but not least, we are making our cross-section. These are some basic steps on how to make an acceptable cross-section for this assignment. So I folded the paper along the A to A prime line, and this allows you to make a size-accurate cross-section with the formations pre-measured out. I also included their strike and dip symbols for ease of setup. This way you don't have to look back and forth from paper to paper. It's already pre-measured for you. You did all the work beforehand when making your geologic map. So the last step is to indicate the dip directions of the rock layers underneath the cross-sectional line. For extra pizzazz, you color them in. As you can see, I did not do that. However, it would look really nice. So, ta-da! I hope this helps you, in the end, visualize some structures. Thanks and good luck with the lab.